but many of them have not heard about Blueparrott. Blueparrott is a different Bluetooth 5.0, not 5.1. This is 5.0. You can stream the music, but this is a single. Hi. Jabra is a popular brand, electronic brand in the industry. Most of them have heard about Jabra, and this Jabra is owned by GM Audios. But many of them have not heard about Blueparrott. Blueparrott is a different division which is recently acquired by GM Audio, which is Jabra, and the Blueparrott is a brand that is very popular in US, Europe and many other countries. The Blueparrott manufactures many audio devices like the earbuds, the headphones, the wireless headphones, the wired headphones, and many other audio devices. This Blueparrott has been recently acquired by Jabra, and now it's a co-brand of Jabra, which is owned by GM Audio. Now today we are going to unbox and review a Blueparrott audio device, a headphone that is available with me, and I'll be unboxing that and will be reviewing how good that one is. This is that device. This is Blueparrott M300 XT. So this is the product which we are going to unbox today and review how good this one is. I have purchased this from the local dealer for around 7,000 rupees. It is available on the local market for around 7,000 rupees. I recommend buying it from local market. I prefer it from local market because the price was similar in the something similar in the Amazon as well as shopping carts. So I preferred buying it from the local market. I got it for 7,000 from a local market here, from the local dealer. I'll share the details in the description. If you want to purchase, you can contact the same person, same dealer. So let's unbox and see how good this one is. So this is Blueparrott M300 XT. So let's unbox it and see what all are inside this. And this particular headphone has noise cancellation feature that will block the 80% background noise. Also, it is having a 14 hours of talk time, and it says that it is ultra light so that it can be used for long hour journey. It is IP54 rated protection against the dust and water, and you can roam up to 300 feet, that is 100 meters from paired Bluetooth device. The range of this is nearly 300 feet. Bluetooth 5.0, not 5.1, this is 5.0. You can stream the music, but this is a single audio headset. I have already done the unboxing. I will open and show it to you in detail what all are inside the package. This is M300 XT ultra light noise cancelling Bluetooth headset. Okay, this is it. This is how it looks inside the box. Now lift it up. You will get a starter manual, safety information booklet, and the warranty card. Then it has the data cable, which is a Type-C type data cable. Then you have a spare extra bud cover. So this is all inside the pack. So let's put it back. Now let's open this. Turn it on. Okay, so this is it. Turned on while I pressed it. So this is the product Blueparrott. You can use it on the either side. You can tilt it. There is an option to tilt it and use it on the either side. Then first you have to tilt it this way and the other way to make it on the other side. I've checked it already. I have adjusted it for my right ear. So you can have a close look at it. You can see a parrot here. Blueparrott. There is 3 buttons here on the headphone. There is one power on, then plus and a minus. You can use the same key for multiple options. So I have turned it on. Let me connect it to the mobile.
For the first device it will automatically pair, and for the second device you will have to press the power button continuously for 3 seconds to pair it to the secondary device. The button will start blinking blue and red simultaneously, and it will get connected to your secondary device. You can have 2 mobiles connected simultaneously to this headset. So now I have connected it to my iPhone as well as my Realme for testing purpose. Now let's test the quality.
And I checked it. The quality of the sound is very good. The reception is very good. It is very lightweight. It is very compactable. You can use it for very long hours, even if you are traveling, if you are driving. As I said earlier, this product is used by many truckers in the US and abroad because this is very useful while driving. It is very compactable, and the reception of the calls and the sounds it captures is very crispy. It's brilliant, and it works perfectly. This is how it fits inside your ear, and it works. It fits perfectly, and you won't even feel that there is something inside. Something you have placed over your ear. It is very light, very compactable, and it got a very long hours, 14 hours of talk time. That is very brilliant, and you will get it charged very easily. So you can use it for very long hours without any tiredness in your ears. So this is my final verdict on this particular headset. This is very nice one. The reception, the quality of the call, the lightweight, the compactability in the ears, these all are very good. So thanks for watching our video. We'll be coming up with more interesting video like this and about the gadgets, technology and games. So keep watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to know to get the notification first. So thanks for watching. Thank you.